you'll make a Godfather and there will be someone जो बोलेगा कि मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी यार, बहुत 3 घंटे की पिक्चर थी.
Do I have the, just because I'm like national award winner, because we've now Emmy nominated, do I have, therefore, is it going to make it easier? No. It doesn't make it easier.
जो फिल्म आप बहुत लगाव से चाहते हैं ना कि आपकी रहे, उसमें आप कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होने देना चाहते हो, और उसकी न्यूज़ तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं बाहर आने देना चाहते हो.
Okay.
जब तक आपका सब कुछ चीज़ें ना हो जाए.
koimoi.com.
But you come to Dhamaka with a national award, with an Emmy nomination for Arya. Tell me, does that change anything for you as a filmmaker? Those tags, in your style, maybe?
Well, I think the good thing about having not been nominated or having an award is that there are certain convictions that you made the work that you made with, and it validates those convictions. It says that, yes, whatever that you believed in did reach out, and that motivates you. And it anchors you in a way. So when you, especially when they're important awards, where the national award is something which is a life milestone.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so it's a big thing. But I was saying, like my friend's mother said, you've climbed a mountain, eventually you have to climb the mountain down. You can't go from mountain to mountain. You have to climb it down, you have to climb it again.
That's so amazing.
Yeah, so that's really, on every journey, whether we are successful, not successful, in any industry, and certainly in ours, it really depends so much. When a film is made, it is a miracle. It is not something which, like, because there's so many forces at play that so often I feel that it is something which is a blessing from the universe. So eventually, do I have the, just because I'm like national award winner, because we've now Emmy nominated, do I have, therefore, is it going to make it easier? No. It doesn't make it easier. It's the same struggle, and thank God for that. Thank God for that, because I think it is the struggle that actually makes you work and makes you grounded. It's a rejection, because I think that it's not just because you won this award doesn't mean, like I remember Francis Ford Coppola made Godfather, after which he wanted to make Apocalypse Now. Everybody said no to him. He threw the Academy Award out of the window. He said, what is the point of the Academy Award if all these actors said no to me? And therefore, even after Godfather, he was not able to make Apocalypse Now. So...
Karthik, if I do a rough math,
Yes.
सारे speculations और rumors को मिला के, are you a part of like 15-20 upcoming movies? Tell me, जब ये सारे speculations आते हैं, are you yourself surprised कि ये तो मुझ तक पहुंचा ही नहीं है?
हाँ, कभी कभी होता है कि ऐसा लगता है कि अच्छा ये वाली भी फिल्म कर रहा हूँ मैं, या ये वाली भी न्यूज़ मेरे बारे में, तो वो आदत हो गई है कई बार. But it's part and parcel of your job. It's okay. It's not something which really affects anyone as such. So yeah.
But which was the most surprising? Tell me.
सरप्राइजिंग, मतलब सरप्राइजिंग से ज़्यादा मैं बताता हूँ, व्हेन यू डोंट वांट, क्या होता है ना, आई विल टेल यू वन, ये बहुत सिंपल सी चीज़ है. जो फिल्म आप बहुत लगाव से चाहते हैं ना कि आपकी रहे, उसमें आप कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं होने देना चाहते हो, और उसकी न्यूज़ तो आप बिल्कुल नहीं बाहर आने देना चाहते हो.
Okay.
जब तक आपका सब कुछ चीज़ें ना हो जाए. एंड तो वो कई बार जब वैसी न्यूज़ कोई आ जाती है ना, वो थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है
ये
यार,
कौन सी थी? Now I am
क्यों आ
intrigued.
गया, ये क्यों ऐसा हुआ. तो वो एक कई बार थोड़ा सा वो डिस्टर्ब करता है. धमाका की न्यूज़ आई थी
Okay.
कि हमने 10 दिन में फिल्म ख़त्म कर दी, तो वो न्यूज़ आनी नहीं चाहिए थी. वो बहुत वो
You were surprised. We said, what difference does it make whether it's 10, 15, 20, 100?
we didn't
It
want that
does.
info.
People are taking 2 years to make a film, right?
Doesn't matter.
10
No,
days.
it's the
we
film
didn't
that
want
matters.
कि कल को कोई बोले कि 14 दिन ले लेते.
Yeah, exactly.
ऐसा ना लगे कि
Okay.
10 दिन में मेहनत नहीं की है. तो वो न्यूज़ जब आई थी तो ऐसा लगा अरे
यार ये किसने बोला
ये
यार?
क्यों न्यूज़ आ
You
गई.
don't want to be known as film people who are making movies fast.
So that
That's
was
not
never the
point.
intention.
Yeah, exactly.
So
We are
तो वो
prepared.
ऐसा.
We are organized. We are prepared. We did it within a certain time. That's okay. Next time we'll do it longer time.
And then it became a thing कि हाँ ये 10 दिन में किया. So now वो हर जगह वो होता है. And now we are also not shying away from it. कि हाँ ठीक है, it's what it is.
With the offense brigade getting so stronger, tell me, as an actor, as a director, are you guys taking steps to not fall in that trap, or you guys don't care
About
about people getting offended? It's rampant now
uh,
with your content, with your films.
okay. I think see like with films, abhi you have to always go with approximate number of people जिनको अच्छा लगा, जिनको बुरा लगा. You should always have that approximate number जिसमें वो ज़्यादा है जिनको अच्छा लगा. दूसरी बात है कि एक लार्जर पिक्चर फिल्म क्या बताना चाह रही है उस पे भी ध्यान जाना चाहिए आइडियली. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट मैटर्स आई थिंक. क्योंकि क्या हो, you'll make a Godfather and there will be someone जो बोलेगा कि मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी यार, बहुत 3 घंटे की पिक्चर थी. सो it's a very vague thing. मतलब ये इतना जज होने वाली चीज़ है कि, और इतने टेस्ट वाले लोग हैं.
It's subjective.
It's subjective. इतनी वैरायटी है, इतना वो है, तो आप हमेशा आपका क्या मूड था जिस टाइम आप वो देख रहे थे. आपने आधी देखी, आधा नहीं. मतलब देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट हैपन व्हेन यू वॉच अ मूवी. सो वो सब्जेक्टिव है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट इज.
For you, sir?
I think by nature we are not. I think you know the intention. We are not controversial people.
Yeah.
Conflict people. पता लगता है when people are making that kind of film. You can tell. When they are not making that kind of film, you can tell. By nature, I'm middle class. I don't want to get into any controversy. I don't want to get into any conflict. So we want to make films which are family-oriented films. We want to reach out to the public. We want to make films that will move them emotionally, make them cry, make them laugh, whatever. I think that's really the kind of people that we are, and certainly the kind of films that I make. They're wholesome films, whether it's Neerja or Arya. These are not meant to be controversial. That's not what I choose. That's not who I am, even by nature or by my character. So I don't think that is really of it, not what we want to do.
That's so true. With that, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
All
you.
the best for the movie.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thank you.
koimoi.com